The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13.
Yeah, baby girl. You know what I want to do. Come on. Yeah, baby girl.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. You already know, this morning is already off to a crazy start. I've had to actually go and sort out the car because my brakes were starting to grind badly, guys. So the brakes were getting really low. They needed to get some looking into to see what was going on there. And normally I would have probably spent the time to do it myself and give you guys the content of me going through the process and everything like that. But I'm not sure I've got all the tools that I need at the moment to do it, and most importantly, it comes down to also just a time thing as well. So at the moment, I'm kind of in a situation where I was like, well, you know what, we just need to get it done, you know. So guys, this morning has just been hectic already. The evil killer is on the freaking lift over there. I'll show you guys some footage real quick of that. But yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so while we're waiting, I just seen this dope freaking skyline. Check it out, guys. That's the old one there.
Yeah, just steel on steel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. See, it should look more like that.
Yeah, more smooth and stuff. Yeah. So the car is just about done. Alright guys, here goes the cold start.